Have you noticed how Christian apologetics try to make life sound impossible? Pastor Marc here. I saw one of their videos claiming the odds of a cell forming are 10 to the 127th power, more than all the stars in the universe. Sounds impossible. Understand, they're not talking about the first cells. They're calculating the odds of a fully evolved cell instead of the simple first cells, and then saying, see, impossible. But that's not reality. Protocells that first started life weren't cells like we have today. They were more like little chemical bubbles. No nucleus. RNA, not DNA. Just a lipid membrane that captured some molecules inside. Now here's the part they skip. Nature didn't roll the dice once, but over and over across billions of years with chemistry that actually favors certain structures. Some molecules stick together. Some structures are more stable. Some reactions happen on their own. And when something copies itself, even badly, now it's not random anymore. Now it's selection. What works a little better sticks around longer, and that builds, step by step, not one supernatural leap, but trillions of organic paces. Once there is just one successful replicator, doubling takes over. In fact, in a mere fraction of geologic time, doubling would mathematically exceed 10 to the 127th, that supposedly impossible apologetic number. Across nearly 4 billion years, there has been more than enough time to create an almost unimaginable number of individual organisms, generations, replications, mutations, combinations, but also dead ends and extinctions. The cells alive today represent only the surviving branches of that enormous history. Over time, there have been enough individual organisms to leave behind entire geological deposits of sedimentary rock and change the chemistry of the whole planet. So when someone tells you the odds are too small for life to happen, just remember, they're calculating the odds of the end result and pretending it had to happen all at once. That's not science, that's stacking the deck. Real science looks at how simple systems evolve into slightly better systems, and then better ones still. No miracles, just time and chemistry. So when reality explains itself, belief systems built on dogma start to lose their grip. There is another way of thinking, one that doesn't require arguing with the universe to make reality fit the dogma. Try humanism, living in reason and reality. Love humanly, give humanly, and experience the human life. You know, because we're human. See you next time.